Once again, I guess I can't get enough of J Buffalo Wings. Stop by there again, man, and I got this. Check it out. Some extra hot wings and some fries. They said it's supposed to be real hot and stuff, so we'll see, because I like that hot stuff, you know what I mean? So, start small. Like ketchup on my fries. I even like mustard on my fries, too. I ain't got no mustard, so let's do the ketchup. It's the first time I had their fries. So let's see what to do. Fresh out the grease. They're pretty good. Nothing real spectacular, but they're good. I'm 1 to 10. About a 6.5. Now, there's some hot wings. I'm ready for this. Let's off with the drum, man. Yeah, these right here I can get with. Oh yeah. Forget these are 8.5, 9. Gotta check this shit out. This whole meal overall, I give it a 9. Of course, as usual, in it with a strawberry drink. I give this a 10. Strawberry drink is a 10. So I place this shit up to like a 9.3. This was a good one, y'all. I recommend it. Once again, Tori out. I'll let y'all.